So exercise 5.2. From exercise 5.2, this is the 8th question. So please students refer to the textbook. 8th question, exercise 5.2. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards the west and the second train travels towards the north. The first train travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. If after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart, find the average speed of each train. So let us take, this is the railway station. One train is moving towards the west and another train is moving towards the north. What is given in the question is the first train travels 5 kilometers faster than the second train. So let us assume the speed of the second train as x. So let the speed of the second train be x kilometers per hour. And given that in the question, the first train, speed of the first train is 5 kilometers faster than the second train. So 5 kilometers per hour more faster than second train. So if you can convert mathematically as the speed of the first train is x plus 5 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of the first train. Now what we are required to find, after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart. So we need to find after 2 hours how much distance did the first train travel and did the second train travel. So after 2 hours, the distance traveled we need to calculate. After 2 hours, distance traveled by the first train is, distance is speed into time. Now the speed of the first train is x plus 5, time is taken 2 hours. So this we can write x times 2 is 2x plus 5. So distance traveled by the first train is 2x plus 5 kilometers. Distance traveled by the second train is speed into time. Now here the speed is x and time taken is 2 hours. So the distance is 2x kilometers. Now assuming that the train has traveled after 2 kilometers, assume that the distance traveled by the train after let us assume this is the position of the second train and this is the position of the first train after 2 hours. So this is the position of the first train after 2 hours. This is the position of the second train after 2 hours. First train and second train. This is the distance covered. Assuming this is the railway station. So these two are at a distance of 50 kilometers apart. So this is the distance between the two trains after 2 hours. Find the average speed of the train. So it is forming a right angle triangle. So the distance traveled by the first train is moving towards the west. So this is 2x plus 5 and the second train is moving towards the north. So this is 2x. So here we get a right angle triangle. So we get by Pythagoras theorem, taking the right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is equal to 2x plus 5 whole square plus 2x whole square. So 50 square is 2500. 5 times 5 is 25. 2500 is equal to, expand this 2x plus 5 whole square in the form of a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 4x square. So 2500 is equal to 4x square plus 25. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 5 is 20x. Okay, just a minute. So here we are, sorry, 2x plus 10. Here we will get 2x plus 10. So 2x plus 10 whole square. So it is going to become 100 and this is 10x. So So 2x square plus 10 square plus 2ab plus 2x whole square. So 2x whole square is 4x square, 10 square is 100 plus 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 10 is 10x, 40x plus 4x square. 4x square plus 4x square is 8x square plus 40x plus 100. Taking this plus 2500 to the right side, we get 8x square plus 40x plus 100 minus 2500 is equal to 0. So 8x square plus 40x minus 2400 is equal to 0. So I can take 8 common, x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. So we will get x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. So here we need to find the factors of 300 such that when we add or subtract, we are going to get the middle term. So 300, just do the prime factorization. 150, 2 times 75, 3, 25, 5, 5, 5, 1. So 5 3 is 15, 2 times 2 is 4, and we will get the factors as 20x and 15x. So x square plus 20x minus 15x minus 300 is equal to 0. So x square, I can take on x plus 20 minus 15. If I take x plus 20 is equal to 0. So the possible values are x plus 20 and x minus 15 is equal to 0. X value is equal to minus 20 and x value is equal to 15. So the speed of the second train is x. Therefore, speed of second train is 15 kilometers per hour, and the speed of the first train is x plus 5, which is equal to 15 plus 5, which is equal to 20 kilometers per hour.